everybody, so this is going to be the end of the T-Rex 550 build video. We'll do one quick pan around the helicopter. If you guys followed the video to a T, this is what your heli should look like by the time it is finished. All in all, I think it turned out pretty damn clean. The wiring looks great, looks like you spent some time on it. One thing I wanted to point out to you real quick is if you were using the newer Spectrum Beast-X with the built-in Spectrum setup, you've got your two antennas here, the short one and the long one, and they do like them to make about a 90-degree angle away from each other, and they also want your satellite perpendicular to the longest one. So I mounted my satellite right up here with the wires, you know, perpendicular to my long one. And then what I did with this longer one was I fed it down through this hole in my plate, brought it down underneath, and I put a piece of fuel tubing over the wire, and I drilled two small holes here and just fed zip ties through. And those zip ties will actually help keep this boom clamp closed in the event of a crash. So just a little bit of added protection there. So I thought that was kind of nice. Other than that, that should be about all. All that's left to do is our gyro setup and rudder programming, which once again I'm not going to film that for this video due to the different flybarless setups there are out there. So thank you guys very much for watching. Please comment, please subscribe, and there will be more videos just like this one to come. And remember guys, if Freddy can fly, so can you. Thanks for watching.